Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove photos, posts or anything from Facebook but not deleting them. Sounds confusing, but it's not. Basically storing them somewhere where someone or some people cannot see them at all and you only can see them. So open up your Facebook and I'm gonna go to my profile by clicking here and on my profile and I'm gonna scroll a bit down. I just want to find a random photo that, for example, I don't want people to see anymore. Let's say this one. So most people, if they want to remove a photo entirely, they just delete it. But what if you want to remove it, not hide from profile, because they can still find it in photos, but you don't want to remove it like deleting it. You want to keep it in your Facebook. You don't want it on your phone or anywhere else. Well, that's pretty easy to do. Just click on the three dots right here and click on Move to Archive. What this does, it removes it entirely from your profile and nobody can find it, nobody can see it anymore. But only you can by going to three little lines here, going to the menu again, clicking on the dots here and click on Archive. And here you can see all the posts and photos that you've archived. So you can restore it if you want. You can view it and you can move it to the recycle bin if you want. But if you move it to the recycle bin, it will be deleted after 30 days. So have that in mind. This is pretty much how to do that. So hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Have a nice day.